Morning, Dan Romero here. Today is Monday, the 13th of October, and we want to touch on today's market minute. This last Friday, we saw a pretty steep decline in the stock market that was almost certainly driven by the trade war with China. So President Xi had a pretty aggressive move. He blocked the export of all rare earth minerals from China, not just to the United States, but to the entire world. So that is a very aggressive move. On the flip side, President Trump responded with a Truth Media post where he talked about adding 100% tariff on top of the 30% that they already have right now. So there's also additional moves that they would consider, such as limiting visas to Chinese nationals, potentially looking at ceasing exports of U.S. chips and software to China, amongst other things as well. The big one would be limiting access to the U.S. market for Chinese companies, which is to the tune of $850 billion. So we were approaching things relatively smoothly going into the November deadline. But as for now, we're taking it up a notch. So keep an eye on things. We certainly are looking at that here. Gold responded well. Bitcoin struggled, certainly. But right now, that is the pulse of what is going on. As it pertains to rare earth minerals, it's not something that we couldn't do here in the United States. The term rare earth doesn't necessarily mean it's because they're rare. It just means it's very difficult to get these items because it requires unearthing a lot of dirt. But we do have access in Wyoming, Alaska, Missouri, amongst other places. So it's just an issue if we have the stomach and fortitude to go there and maybe not be so dependent on China. So a little longer today, but give us a call if you have any questions.